Good morning, this is Umair Hamid and welcome to my vlog. So today I'm going to show you something which I've recently bought. So the thing behind me that you saw in the promo video, it's a electric scooter which I recently bought. And why I bought, because I already have a car, but still I felt that there are some places where I cannot take my car because you cannot take your car in there. Also, if I have to be in the this city place, this central place a lot, then I have to pay the parking, which is pretty expensive. But if I have a thing like that, I can park my car somewhere where there's no parking ticket or something, and then I can ride from there to here. So that's a really pretty cool thing, which is quite fast. It goes up to 25 kilometers per hour, and the battery lasts till if you drive it on full speed, the maximum speed, it can go up to 14 kilometers. But if you drive in the eco mode, which is it goes up to 15 kilometers per hour, and that can take up to 20 kilometers or something. You can travel up till 20 kilometers or 25. The company says 25, but I never achieved 25 till now. So that's about it, and I find it pretty handy and it's pretty fun to drive. Let me show you. The build quality of this piece of equipment is quite okay. It's not that solid, but it's fine, it's workable, and it can I don't know, but I'm feeling really okay with that. It's not that good, but it's fine. Take 6 hours to completely charge. If you have a zero battery, you ended up with all the battery and the juice is gone, and then it takes 6 hours to charge. And other than that, it's pretty fun to drive. Literally, it's really fun, and it's really comfortable in that sense that you can park your car somewhere and you can wander around. It's very easy to park around the shops or somewhere if you have. And the one thing that I don't know, or maybe don't like, that the locking mechanism is not by an app, so you have to buy an external lock for that, which I have already bought. It starts with if you hold this button for long, so it starts, and then it have two different modes. This one goes up to 15 kilometers per hour. If I press it single time, the headlight, which you use in night, will turn on. And if I push it twice, you see the red light. This speed goes up to 25 kilometers per hour. So that's a simple menu. These are the battery bars, which is almost it's full, and this is speed, how much speed you're gonna get, or whatever the speed will be, it will appear here. So hold it long, it's gonna turn on. It does have a disc brake. It have only rear brakes, which are disc, and at the front there's no brakes. Only this is the rear one have a disc brakes, and it's quite okay. It's quite not okay to drive that. And it have a small bell. So here is its accelerator, from where you can push it down, all the way down, and then for some time, if you leave this one, it's gonna maintain the same speed that you was on where you was traveling. This is a lock. When you put it down and fold it, this one, it's not focusing. Yeah, this is the lock which locks down this whole rod to here, so then you can carry it, you can lift it, and that's the lever for the brake, for the rear disc brake. So here we have this lever. If you put it down like this, so we can get locked, and here you can see it's locked, and you can just lift it up from here. So it's pretty small. To be honest, it's a very good ride for summers, as I can travel by the beach, in the markets, and it's really nice. Despite all the time you just go by the car, it's really nice to have this kind of thing, which is quite small and with no expense because it go by electricity. So I hope you like my vlog and find it informative, and comment down below if you find something which you want to add it up, and I will see you in my next vlog. I don't know, the guys behind me, they're looking at me because I'm vlogging.